So using some Dawn will really help clean this part of the refrigerator. Right, see, look at that. Dawn soap and with a green scoring pad. You don't have to use any harsh chemicals inside of the refrigerator. Um, like Dawn soap, and it's gone. There it is. You take the water, you rinse it off, and all the dirt is gone. All you need really is Dawn soap to clean the parts of the refrigerator. So we take this piece and put it with the clean. We're going to rinse it again, of course. We're going to rinse it again. Then we're going to take a drawer, put some water, some water inside of it, and take the same cleaning cloth, the same green scoring pad, and just get all. Let me turn it around so you can see it. Put it out so you can see the dirtiness. So you see how this residue is here. And also you take and you scrub it like this. Leave it on the outside. Scrub. You flip it around. Sorry about the noise. Flip it around and then you flip it around again. Then this piece right here, that dirt right there. Look, Dawn soap got it up. Dawn soap. You can take your washcloth and it gets all the dirt off. See the washcloth is getting all that dirt off. You just wash it, keep going, and then that's all you need. You don't need nothing. You don't need no harsh chemicals to clean. You need some Dawn soap, water, and a washcloth, and they'll become clean. Let me show you. See? So I'm ready to go back inside the refrigerator. Thanks for watching.